All right, guys, this is just going to be a quick video of how to install these commonly called Raptor lights. These are just marker lights in the grill of a 2021 RAV4. I decided to use the inserts that actually hold the lights a little bit better. You can see it's a cleaner look, much more like a factory look. So it actually works out really nicely. They're nice and stable in there. I also went with the smoked lenses to kind of keep it a little bit less noticeable when they're turned off. So these are the inserts right here, and if you order them, you'll see that they just push in. They're really easy to do, and then these lights just push in and they just click into place. You can use them in any of these holes here. I went with the upper row, and now we'll kind of move up to the top. All right, so these clips right here have to actually be pulled out. They're really easy to do. You can use a screwdriver or just use a trim tool, and that just pops up a little bit, and it just pulls right out. That's all there is to that. And you just push it back down, and then you just hear it clip. There's going to be one here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a total of 5 of those. You're going to undo this bolt here, this bolt here. A lot of the videos show that you can kind of wedge this cover off after that. It's a lot easier if you take the hood release off. It's pretty simple to do. Let me get a different angle so you guys can see. There's a bolt here. There's a bolt here. There's a third one that's right down here. It's kind of hard to see, but if you get in there, you can feel it. It's really easy. Take those off. This whole thing, there's no alignment, so it's pretty easy to do. Just pull it back, and this whole cover will just pop off. Once you do that, you'll have access to the grill. You'll be able to see exactly where you put those lights through. You'll see the factory wiring is going to be tucked up underneath here. You'll see it once this cover is off. Again, it's really easy to do, and that's where I zip tied the wire harness for the Raptor lights. Like I said, it's not difficult to do. It's fairly easy. I zip tied the wires, kind of ran it all along here, came up underneath. This is the LED light controller. Now the big part of this is a lot of people are drilling a hole into the side of this for the wire to go through. This is where your connect a fuse, and you just push those tabs in, and there's one here, and the fuse cover just pops off. It's really easy. This is the add a fuse right here. It actually comes with the kit. This wire is what connects to the power wire of the lights. This was actually done in the USB. So as soon as you turn the car on, like with the accessory power, those lights will come on. They'll stay on. I didn't want to drill a hole or file down on the side just to keep it, as clean as possible, pretty much. So what I did was, you'll see this bundle of wires right here. And this is the factory wiring. And it actually runs down and comes out the bottom of this fuse box. Now, you can undo this right here, and then you're going to see this little connector right there. All right, and you'll see this little tab right there. All you have to do is push that tab in once that bolt is done. This whole section right here, basically in between my fingers, you can see the little areas right there where there's a little separation. That whole piece will actually pull up and out. Then all you have to do, what I did was I used a zip tie, and I pushed it down along this black wire right here. I taped this wire to the end of the zip tie. Make sure you cut the end off so it's just a flat piece of zip tie. Push it through, and you can pull it right out the bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see the wire at the bottom right here. This red one and that comes through up here. That way, when you put this back on, everything's nice and clean. It's a very nice look. You know, it's a lot better, in my opinion, than having to cut into your fuse box or drill a hole or notch it. You know, like I said, I really wasn't willing to do that. But that's all there is to that install. I'm going to leave some links for you guys. So these lights, I'll leave a link. Or you can order it directly through me. If you order it through me, I'll put the amount that you're going to save you like $2 or $3. These inserts, you can order these off of Etsy. I'm going to leave a link and a coupon code for those, and you get $5 off. So hope you guys like the install. And then I'm going to show you what they look like once everything's turned on.